In this video, we will talk about concat function. The SQL standard provides the concat function to concatenate two strings into a single string. SQLite, however, does not support the concat function. Instead, it uses the concatenate operator using these two pipe symbol to join two strings into one. So the syntax will be like this: the string 1, then the two pipe string 2. Sometimes if you like to put a space or a special character between these two strings, you can do that. In this case, you will use a couple of pair pipe symbols in your syntax. So let's see in action how to use it inside the SQLite Studio. Back to our exercise file, we have a test database and we have EMP data table. So I'm selecting everything from EMP data table. We have a big list of employee and their information. Now if I want to concatenate first name and last name together to generate a full name of the employee, we can do it using the pipe symbol in SQLite, and in other database systems you can use concat function. So I will write select first name concat, this pipe symbol available on your keyboard, one key above the right enter. So I will write last name as well from EMP data. So if I run this query, let's see what will happen. As you see, I have the full name and last name concatenated to each other, but they are linked or stick it together. If I want to put a space between the first name and last name, I can do that by putting a space between these two strings. So I will put single quotation space single quotation, and then I have to concatenate again. So I will put two pipe symbol again, and let's run the query again. As you see, the first name and last name has been separated by a space. Of course, you can put a special character, for example, you can put and then run again. As you see, we have the first name and last name joined together this way. In other scenario, if you want to create an email address for each employee using their last name, you can do that as well. Select last name concat with another string at cia4tech.com from EMP data. So this query will concat last name with at cia4tech.com. If I run the query, as you see, I have email address for all employee.